The Run and Walk Against Hunger, a Thanksgiving morning tradition that raises much-needed funds to keep the emergency food bank of Stockton and San Joaquin running as well. For 50 years, the food bank has provided sustenance to the working poor throughout San Joaquin County. 6 million pounds of food are provided to more than 65,000 people each year.
It means a whole lot because I was very short on cash and I really need the food, and it brings my spirits up high too.
1 in 5 children in Stockton go hungry every day.
Stockton business owner Tony Weiss is a longtime member of the food bank's board of directors. He's just as passionate about feeding the hungry as he is about selling top-of-the-line running gear.
Pardon me, I get emotional on this stuff. The mission of the food bank is to serve the underserved in our community. And for me and my family, it was about the little ones. When I say go hungry, they have absolutely no food in their stomach. And we know, it's a fact, that you can have a nice breakfast, a nice lunch, a nice dinner. You're just gonna be a better person. You're gonna function better at school, and we're really kind of working on that next generation. So for me, that's why it hits home so much. So my question to everybody is, knowing all that information, why wouldn't you be involved with the food bank?
It's the working poor of San Joaquin County that the food bank serves. People like Claudia, whose husband drives a truck each day in the Bay Area. His income doesn't always cover all the expenses.
At the beginning, I was embarrassed, just to be honest, because if somebody comes to my house and they say I have a place to live, they would think I'm taking advantage of something they don't need.
But in fact, the food bank was designed for families just like Claudia's.
That sometimes we get tough with the bills because sometimes all the bills come at once. We have kids, we have to buy clothes, we have to buy shoes, especially when they're growing so fast, so you have to buy like 1 pair of shoes every 3 months.
Once a month, sometimes twice, Claudia visits the food bank for help in feeding her family of 4.
Everybody has tough times sometimes, and then there's a place where we can go and get some help.
Vegetables and fruits in general are going to help a lot with that because it has antioxidants.
Providing food in tough times is just one aspect of the emergency food bank. Ongoing cooking classes stress the importance of preparing and consuming healthy versions of popular dishes that feed an entire family. And then there's the mobile farmers market that travels every weekday to one of 70 locations around the county, areas considered to be food deserts. Demonstrations of healthy cooking techniques serve up delicious lessons. It's all part of the food bank's mission to provide the working poor not only food, but the knowledge that enables a healthier and more productive lifestyle. But it's the generosity of this community that has kept the food bank open and independent all these years.
The negative things that go along with poverty and go along with hunger. If we can break that cycle, we're just making, in general, a better community to live in.
And so we continue running toward that finish line, helping families put food on the table, striving for a healthier community.